Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling virtualization and confirming you have at least 4 GB RAM. This speeds emulation and prevents stutters. Next, pick an emulator based on performance needs: BlueStacks or LD Player for games, Android Studio for development testing, because each uses system resources differently. Once decided, download the official installer and any required APKs directly from trustworthy providers. Run the installer and accept system prompts. This first setup creates the virtual Android device you will tweak in the next. Once done installing, open emulator settings and allocate cores and RAM to match your PC and game demands. More resources reduce lag. Choose the best graphics renderer, DirectX or OpenGL, because compatibility affects frame rates and visual fidelity. Then map keyboard or controller inputs and tweak DPI and resolution so touch controls feel accurate. Make game-specific adjustments like FPS caps, multi-instance for multiple accounts, and storage location to prevent slow disk access. These middle steps are where smooth gameplay. You now launch the game and observe performance using the emulator's FPS overlay. Tweak in-game graphics until you balance visuals and smoothness. Make sure your GPU drivers and emulator are up to date because outdated drivers often cause crashes or poor performance. If the game won't start, clear the emulator cache, reinstall the APK, or switch the renderer between DirectX and OpenGL to resolve compatibility. As a final tip, reset the virtual device if problems persist. This restores defaults without affecting your PC.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.